What is a compiler? In this video, you will find all the information you need about the compiler. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us. Let's embark on a storytelling journey to explore the enchanted world of compilers. In a land known as programming, where ideas and logic took shape, there existed a magical translator named Compiler. Compiler had a special gift. It could understand the intricate spells cast by wizards known as programmers and transform them into a language that the computer could comprehend. Our story begins with a young and ambitious programmer, armed with creativity and a vision for a new program. The programmer spoke in a language called High Level, a tongue rich with human-like syntax and easily understood structures. The programmer's dream was to bring this high-level incantation to life within the mystical realm of the computer, a place that spoke in a more cryptic language known as Low Level. But fear not, for Compiler was here to bridge the gap between these two worlds. The programmer started by writing a magical script, a series of instructions and commands that formed the blueprint of the desired program. This script was like a spellbook, filled with the programmer's intentions but written in the friendly language of High Level. With the spellbook in hand, the programmer called upon Compiler, the mystical translator. Compiler was a diligent creature ready to assist in bringing the programmer's vision to life. Compiler, being a wise interpreter, carefully read each line of the high-level script. It then began the sacred ritual of translation, converting the programmer's human-readable instructions into a language that the computer could understand, the cryptic low-level language. As Compiler completed its translation ritual, it produced a magical elixir known as object code. This elixir was a series of binary instructions that held the essence of the programmer's spell, but in a form that the computer's processor could execute with precision. The programmer, armed with the object code elixir, presented it to the computer. The computer, in turn, embraced the magic within the elixir and executed the instructions, bringing the high-level spell to life in the binary realm. And so, the compiler became a trusted ally for programmers, helping them translate their creative visions into the language of computers. With Compiler by their side, programmers continued to craft powerful spells, and the digital realm thrived with the magic of programs and applications. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us.